Choose the right oil, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: understanding the phrase, choose the right oil. This expression might seem straightforward at first glance, but it carries a variety of meanings in different contexts. Whether you're a budding chef, a car enthusiast, or simply looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will illuminate the nuances and applications of this versatile phrase. So, let's get started. The phrase, choose the right oil, can be taken literally in scenarios where selecting an appropriate type of oil is crucial. This could refer to cooking, automotive care, or machinery maintenance. In cooking, the right oil can mean the difference between a delicious meal and a culinary disaster. In the automotive world, using the correct oil ensures the engine runs smoothly and lasts longer. Each type of oil has specific properties and uses, making the choice an important one. Beyond its literal meaning, choose the right oil can also have metaphorical implications. It can symbolize the importance of making wise choices in various aspects of life. Just as choosing the correct oil is essential for the success of a dish or the longevity of an engine, making the right decisions can lead to success and happiness in personal and professional endeavors. This phrase is a great example of how specific expressions can be used in everyday English to convey advice or recommendations. When someone tells you to choose the right oil, they might not only be speaking about a literal choice but also encouraging you to consider your options carefully and make informed decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, choose the right oil, and its various meanings and applications. Remember, whether you're deciding on cooking oil, engine oil, or the path to take in life, the essence of this expression is about making choices that are best suited to your needs and circumstances. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one.